Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch the key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewers, today's paper is about high hydrostatic pressure treatment for manufacturing of red bean powder. A comparison with the thermal treatment. Lee Hyona is the lead author. Viewers, the traditional process of manufacturing red bean powder (RBP) using high temperature and extensive cooking causes quality changes such as an off-flavor, destruction of colors, and reduced nutritional value of the product. In this study, RBP was manufactured using a novel process of wet grinding, high hydrostatic pressure (HHP), and freeze drying. The impact of HHP treatment in this innovative manufacturing process on the microbial count, antioxidant activity, anti-nutritional factors, and physicochemical properties of RBP was evaluated by comparison with the conventional method of thermal treatment. Microbial populations in final RBP were reduced to 1.83, 1.55 and 1.05 log CFU/G when treated using HHP 400, 500 and 600 MPa respectively. HHP treatment improved the nutritional profile and reduced the effects of anti-nutritional factors in RBP. The most effective reduction of trypsin inhibitor activity and phytic acid content was achieved using HHP at 600 MPa for 5 minutes. Total phenols, flavonoids, prothocyanidins, and total antioxidant capacity in HHP treated RBP were more effectively preserved than in thermally treated REP. Preparation of RBP using a novel manufacturing process, innovative HHP treatment rather than thermal treatment, improved physicochemical and functional properties, and enhanced microbiological safety. Viewers, this article was published in December 2018 in the Journal of Food Engineering. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.